Okay guys, so for the overview for the Module 2, Assignment 2, it's a super easy assignment and it should take you about 20 minutes on average, and it should go even faster if you're already pretty proficient in Illustrator. So I wanted to do a quick video. I'm not going to show you how to do the things, but I want to show you the difference between the start and the end file. One thing you should know is in the data files, the starter file for this assignment is outside of the lesson folders, and it's called Mod 2 Lesson 5 data file. And again, you should name it with your last name, Module 2 Assignment 2. So when we come in here, this is what it looks like. It's got the weirdest looking elephant foot known to man, then a regular footprint, and then this windsurfer. And then you have two portrait artboards. So one of the first things I want to tell you is that actually I'll switch to this one. I don't know why I have two of those. But you're going to shear this one. So you learn in the lesson how to shear it. You can shear it any which way you like. Then you're going to copy this footprint, flip it and rotate it so that it looks the right version of that foot, and it's a little bit forward so it looks like footprints. And then you can transform this windsurfer any which way you like based on the tools you learned in the lesson. And then you're going to turn this artboard into a landscape artboard. The one thing I wanted to tell you when you do that, it will probably overlap like this. So make sure when it does that you pull that artboard over. But see how when you pull that artboard over, because it was then touching the elephant foot, it moves that elephant foot forward. Then you just have to come back here and move that back onto this artboard. The other thing is when you take a screenshot, I need to be able to see the layers panel and your artboard panel, and these should be named. There's specific names in the instructions that these should be named, so that's why I'm having you take a screenshot with both of those included. So I think that's it. Just remember this when we're in a really hard project that takes a lot of your time. Remember that there's some weeks where you have these super easy assignments that don't take a long time. All right, so if you have any questions, as always, please let me know.